Welcome back to Time Mechanic, where we rev up the stories behind the objects that power our world. Today we're zooming into a hidden hero of horsepower, the turbocharger. Have you ever wondered how this compact device gives cars that extra kick? A huge shout out to our viewer Mia for suggesting this topic. It's a real game changer. So, how did the turbocharger become such an essential part of our vehicles? Let's pop the hood and find out. So, what's a turbocharger? It's a device that boosts an engine's power by forcing extra air into it, making your car faster and more efficient. Think of it like a super-powered fan giving your engine a deep breath of air. Turbochargers are durable, efficient, and pack a punch. You'll find them in sports cars for thrilling speed, diesel trucks for heavy towing, and even eco-friendly vehicles to maximize fuel efficiency. Let's dive into the nuts and bolts of how a turbocharger is made, breaking it down into 3 key steps: crafting components, assembly, and testing. Step 1. Crafting components. It all starts with high-quality materials. The main parts, turbine and compressor wheels, are made from lightweight, heat-resistant alloys like aluminum or titanium to withstand scorching temperatures up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit or 1,000 degrees Celsius. The housing, which encases these wheels, is cast from tough cast iron or stainless steel. Bearings and seals are also prepared, often using precision ceramics to handle high-speed spinning. It's like forging tiny, indestructible windmills. Step 2. Assembly. Next, the turbocharger is pieced together with surgical precision. The turbine wheel, which captures exhaust gases, is mounted on one end of a shaft, while the compressor wheel, which pumps air into the engine, goes on the other. This shaft spins inside a central housing, supported by bearings lubricated with oil to reduce friction. The turbine and compressor housings are bolted on, carefully aligned to ensure smooth airflow. The whole unit is compact, often smaller than a soccer ball, but built to spin at 200,000 RPM or more. Step 3. Testing. Before it hits the road, the turbocharger is rigorously tested. It's spun at high speeds to check balance, inspected for leaks, and run through simulated engine conditions to ensure it can handle extreme heat and pressure. It's like sending the turbo to boot camp to prove it's ready for action. Now, a quick history spin. The turbocharger was invented in 1905 by Swiss engineer Alfred Bucci, who saw a way to make engines more powerful by reusing exhaust gases. Early turbos were used in ships and planes, but by the 1970s, they roared into cars, powering everything from race cars to everyday sedans. From Bucci's brainwave to today's high-performance engines, turbochargers have supercharged our world. Where do turbochargers shine? In sports cars, they deliver heart-pounding acceleration for thrill seekers. In heavy-duty trucks, they provide the muscle to haul massive loads. You'll find them in eco-conscious hybrid cars, boosting power while cutting fuel use. Even rally racers rely on turbos to conquer tough terrains. Why do turbochargers matter? They're all about efficiency and power. By squeezing more performance from smaller engines, they save fuel and reduce emissions without sacrificing speed. Think of a turbocharger as a silent hero under the hood, giving your car the boost it needs to soar. Next time you feel that surge of acceleration or pass a turbocharged truck, give a nod to the engineering that makes it happen. Before we wrap up, here are 2 fun facts to turbocharge your day. Did you know a turbocharger can spin faster than a jet engine, reaching speeds of 250,000 RPM? That's like a blender on steroids. And here's a quirky one. In the 1980s, Formula One cars with turbo engines were so powerful they were briefly banned for being too fast. To sum it up, the turbocharger is a brilliant blend of science, engineering, and a touch of automotive magic. From Alfred Bucci's clever invention to the high-speed wonders in today's vehicles, it's a small device that delivers big results. We hope you've loved this deep dive into how turbochargers are made and the stories they tell. Got a turbo tale or an object you want us to explore next? Drop it in the comments. We read everyone. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button, subscribe, and follow for more tales about the simple things that drive our world. Here's the takeaway. Small things like turbochargers are quietly powering our journeys, one boost at a time.